Hello friends, let's harvest some vegetables today. Namaste, I'm Madhvi and welcome to Mad Gardener. Let's start with these drumsticks. I keep harvesting them when I need them, and this particular variety is very short and fat and also fleshy. So it can grow much wider if it is left like that. Here are some tomatoes. So let's pick them up. And you can find wood ash sprinkled over the leaves. I have done that to control the mealybugs on that plant. Yes. And these are the turmeric plants. I think it's time to harvest them. Within a week, I'll do that also. I'm collecting the seeds of these Indian beans, heirloom variety. It's so tasty. And this is a rich gourd vine. And yeah, I keep pollinating the flowers manually. I hand pollinate each and every flower, female flower found on the vine. So this increases my yield. This is also rich gourd vine. Okay, you can find flowers and the tiny rich gourds over there. Let me harvest this. I have planted a marigold on the terrace. This is mainly to attract the pollinators and also the unwanted pests. So the pests first attack these plants, and by then we can take the necessary action over the other plants. Here are some tomatoes. Let's pick them up. My sister painted on my containers some nice funny emojis. And these are the amaranth plants which I keep harvesting them. I just cut the stems and use them, and they regrow within a week. So this is how I grow amaranth, and that is sufficient for my family. Let's harvest some purple long brinjals, the eggplants. And I have 3-4 varieties of brinjals or the eggplants, and this particular one is very tasty. And another tip I like to give is, see, while harvesting, just check the petiole. If it is fat, it's fine and the right time to harvest. And if it is thin, it means the seeds are formed inside the brinjal. So harvest when the petiole is fat and fresh. Okay, and this is the ripe brinjal. People like who watch keep asking me why is it yellow in color. So it is ripe, and look how I'm collecting the seeds for the next season. Just remove the flesh and you find seeds inside it. See? Now separate it and dry it in shade. We can use those seeds for next season. Okay? Yeah. There are no bottle cards now. I have harvested them last week. And this particular vine is called the garlic vine, and this is blooming for the third time of this particular season. Let's pick some apple bear. I think they are ready. Yes. And we keep eating them whenever we go onto the terrace without washing as well. And they're ready and nice color. Yes. Look at this. This is a squirrel deed. So they get their fair share in my crop, and I love their presence in my garden. It gives me immense pleasure. I just can't explain. Lemon cucumbers. We prepare dal and also curries with these, and I think they have come to an end. Some tomatoes here. Yes. Let's harvest some brinjals. Look at the size. They're so tender and also taste good. Tomatoes. And these are too crowded for that pot. I mean the container. I have just tried it for the first time. They came out well. They're hiding here. This is another variety of round purple brinjal. Then the bush beans. Actually, I recorded this video in Jan. So the present condition is completely different to what I'm showing you now. This is a guava plant. This is another brinjal variety, long and green one. 2 or 3 plants can serve a family for the complete year. So plant them in bigger containers so that they last for a year. I sometimes get fed up picking these brinjal, and people ask me, why do you harvest all the vegetables at the same time? This is only to inspire you all. It's very easy to grow our own veggies on the terrace or in containers. So this is only to inspire you all. So start growing your food. It's so easy. Though you fail in your initial attempts, you will always learn from your mistakes. So trust me and start growing your food. And I also distribute my harvest to my neighbors and my helpers. These baby curry plants are grown from the seeds, and I keep pinching them to this level each week, and they regrow within a week. And this is how I manage my curry leaves. Actually, they're better than the bigger plants, so they keep sprouting their leaves each time I pinch them. Okay. These are the heirloom variety of chilies. They're so hot, so one in a place of 2 is sufficient. Then okay, this is my palak pot. I harvested 2-3 days back maybe. And always keep checking for the pests. So if you find any droppings, so you should be alarmed. And these are again too crowded, the cauliflower. So there are no empty containers at that time, so I just sprinkle the seeds, and this is the result. This is what do you say, roselle or gongura in Telugu. So I have arranged a bed of dry leaves and then sand and then the seeds. This is the red amaranth, and I have harvested palak in the morning. Sorry, methi. These are the coriander. See the width of the, the depth of the container is almost like a plate. So that's doing for me. Then this is again palak, and this is called bachalikura spinach, a variety of spinach. And another 1, 2 and 3 batches of methi. So they should be harvested within a week. So I think they'll go for distribution. And this is again, it's called, what is this? Sorrel, a variety of sorrel, or chukkakura in Telugu. So this particular plant is serving from 6 or more months. So I keep pinching the leaves or the stems. So one plant is enough. Here are some morning glories and my spicy heirloom variety of chilies, hot peppers. Okay, tomatoes. So do you think I'm self-sufficient? Yes, I am. And some goas, not ready yet. My ginger is ready to be harvested, I suppose. Let's see. And this is my harvest. So what do you think of this, and what about growing yourself? So think about it. It's so easy to grow them.